Once upon a time, beneath the sparkling blue veil of the ocean, a tiny baby turtle awakens lost and alone amidst an enchanting coral reef. Accustomed to the gentle rhythm of his mother's current, he now finds himself adrift on an unfamiliar undersea landscape of vibrant corals, mysterious caves, and shadowy predators. But the baby turtle isn't without hope. A symphony of colorful sea dwellers surround him, navigating this world with wisdom and resilience. Inspired, our baby turtle seeks their guidance, learning from the graceful manta ray, the wise ancient octopus, and the friendly shoals of fish. Each encounter provides a clue, a lesson, leading him on a path through the coral labyrinth and back towards the shore. Meanwhile, on the moonlit beach, his mother patiently waits, the gentle ebb and flow of tides echoing the beat of her heart. There, under the celestial ballet of stars and the watchful gaze of the moon, she waits in anticipation for the tiny silhouette breaking the ocean's horizon, her baby returning home.